I'm NASA Kennedy's Amanda Stevenson, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC. The astronauts that will fly on NASA's SpaceX Crew 1 mission to the International Space Station are now in Florida, undergoing final preparations for liftoff. The crew of 4 departed from Ellington Field near Johnson Space Center in Houston and touched down at Kennedy Space Center's launch and landing facility on Sunday, November 8th. NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins, Victor Glover, and Shannon Walker, along with Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JAXA, astronaut Soichi Noguchi were greeted by NASA and JAXA leadership during a welcome ceremony. This will be SpaceX's first regular long-duration flight to the space station as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. Teams continue to trek toward the Artemis I launch next year and, most recently, have finished installing Orion's 3 spacecraft adapter jettison fairing panels. Surrounding the spacecraft's European service module, the fairing panels will protect it from extreme heat, wind, and acoustics as Orion is propelled out of Earth's atmosphere atop NASA's Space Launch System rocket, or SLS. Using a series of firings, the jettison panels will then separate from the service module, allowing the solar array wings to unfurl and provide the energy and power necessary to send Orion on its journey around the moon. The first in a series of increasingly complex missions, Artemis I will test SLS and Orion as an integrated system ahead of crewed flights to the moon. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.